Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your love bite. Starting the month with a small little love bite for you, Gemini, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, gems, let's begin your reading, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Gemini, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, so gems. Justice, center of my spread. Somebody wants to bring some justice to this relationship, it seems now. There's a bit of blockage here though. Okay. All right. So gems, bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe somebody is now no longer interested. Maybe they didn't feel respected enough in a connection. Maybe they gave too much and they got drained out of all their love here, right? But I do see somebody here wanting to now approach them. They, I think, have developed feelings now that they've lost this Queen's love. They want to come back and maybe woo this Queen of Cups back and maybe offer equal give and take. But there is a lot of stress. There's a lot of stress as to how to bring this justice to this equation. There is a blockage in coming together. Maybe there is distance. Maybe there is some problem in reaching the other person. Maybe there is some blockages or stoppages which is not allowing this, blocking this Knight of Cups path. They do want to work things out, and if there were any third parties, they want to end all that. This person wants to come rushing back in to fight for this connection again, it seems. Let's do one thing, Gemini. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll clarify these cards. So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? And gems, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below, and I may not be taking personals for the second half of this month for some personal reasons. So if anybody has an urgent reading, now would be a good time to reach out. Okay, all right. Let's take a few more from here. Gemini and their person. Okay. And a couple more from here. Gemini and their person. All right, good to go, gems. Let's start this reading. First card here says, I realized I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. Maybe at one time there was only one person pouring into this connection and the other person was running. I get so frustrated by the intense telepathy, the dreams and the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me has me burning up, and you are nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, inextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace. Right now, my soul just feels unsettled. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, the warmth of your body, and I need and want you now. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? I want to restore your faith in me. And the last card here, Gemini says, our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. All right, so gems, if this is resonating with your storyline, let's start clarifying these cards and see what message wants to come through today. I will also start this reading with an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading. With the blessing, guidance, higher education. Maybe this was a soulmate connection which maybe had to trigger one or both of you to learn some lessons. This could be a past life connection, a soulmate connection, and not all soulmate connections, are the lovey-dovey ones which last a lifetime into marriage and babies, Gemini. Some people just come into your life to trigger some part of you which you need to heal. Like this card said, you've triggered some growth in me. So, but still, I do see somebody wanting to come back and heal things here. Queen of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Cups, what do you want to say to us? Why are you in reverse? Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is tired. Queen of Cups says, I've been carrying all the burden of this connection till now. All the 10 wands of this relationship have been carried by me. My back hurts, my cup is empty, and I have no more energy now to pursue this connection anymore. I'm not even interested in any messaging or talking. I'm tired, basically. I got offered nothing. So what's the point of me being always, stressed out and crying and waiting, looking out or waiting for their text? I mean, this person is so inconsistent, never even keeps any promises. So now the Knight of Cups, Spirit. What does the Knight of Cups want to say to us now? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups, I think, has kind of recognized that they have deep emotions as well. They have been hiding their feelings. They want to come and reveal some secrets about their inconsistent behavior. Yes, this person wants to have some very clear communication now about why they did not offer what they wanted to offer. They don't want this chapter to shut down with this queen. They just don't want to lose this special person in their life. They've recognized that this is their person. Maybe in the past they didn't recognize it. They may have disrespected this queen and not offered her anything, made her feel less than. Now they want to come and offer this partnership. Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Six of Pentacles. Why is that here? Six of Pentacles. This person is recognizing that they behaved in a very bad manner. Yes, they're recognizing their own behavior. They're realizing that they have tricked this queen in the past. They've tried to be controlling of this connection as to how much they will give, how much they will not give, or how much of time, attention, or whatever. They wanted to just basically control the outcome of this connection, and also recognize now that their own bad behavior has caused this connection to end. This structure was never built on solid ground. It was built on sand. This person is now recognizing their own self in the past. And now their emotions are kind of coming to fore to understand, oh my God, I did love this person and I never gave them even a chance. This is stressing them out big time. Eight of Swords, Spirit. Eight of Swords. Yes, now they've recognized the love that they have in their heart for them. Their heart is now overflowing with love for this queen. Now they want to match this queen's love. They've always had a little bit of difficulty, I think, in opening up or sharing emotions, and they're realizing that because they never told maybe this Queen of Cups earlier, they've sabotaged this connection, and all this behavior of theirs of trying to be controlling or not speaking up has actually backfired on them. Now this has become a stress point for them, because now they can't see a way out. They don't know what to do, what to say. They have a lot of stress about, their own selfish behavior. They don't know what action to take now to bring justice back into this connection. So, Justice Spirit, what's this Justice card? Justice. Justice. This is what this person wants now, Gemini. They want to bring justice back into this connection because they've recognized the connection finally. This is my Ten of Cups. This is the person who makes me emotionally happy. This is the person I see in my future. This is the person I want to see the rainbows with and grow old with. One more card, Spirit, for the Justice card. Yes, they want to get over any toxicity which happened in the past, whether they were being toxic or whether they created some toxic, circumstances in this connection. This person wants to bring justice by removing any kind of conflict or toxicity or whatever, and have their Ten of Cups now. But the problem here is there is some blockage here. Spirit, why is the Chariot in reverse? Why is the Chariot in reverse? If they've recognized this connection, why is the Chariot in reverse? Chariot in reverse. Chariot in reverse. They're kind of feeling that even if they communicate, even if they speak the truth, they don't know how to bring balance back into this equation because maybe they're not in a place right now where they can put in any work. Maybe there's distance which is separating you guys. I don't know. I need one more card, Spirit, for the Chariot in reverse. This person does want, they're waiting for the right time to offer. They're waiting for the right time to have a face-to-face conversation. They don't want to just say things and not mean it now. They feel that's not going to bring balance if we just maybe over the internet talk or whatever. They want to have something stable. They want this to work now. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles, Spirit. So yes, for now I think things are stuck between the two of you. As much as they want to work and put some effort into balancing this relationship out, right now they feel maybe there is something else which is taking their time or energy away. They feel right now they're not in a place where they can bring this to fruition. They still have to drop something before they can do that. Ten of Wands in reverse. Yes, they have to put an ending to something before. Yes, there's some competition around this connection. There is some other people involved or some competition or something. They fear that it'll create another fight and they want to come correct. They want to end all this fighting, conflict or any third parties if there are before they can make this solid offer. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Knight of Swords. They really regret the way they've behaved in the past. They really have a lot of regret. If they had their way, they would rush it right now. But right now they feel things are still in troubled waters because of their past behavior. They fear losing a very strong soulmate connection. They also fear that their offer of apology may not be accepted now, and this connection could have already been over because of this bad behavior of theirs. Whoever this person is right now is feeling blocked by something, even though they recognize the connection. They have so much regret and so much of sadness and shame, and just feeling that I had my Ten of Cups in the palm of my hand. And what did I do? And now that they've recognized the connection, there are some blockages which are not allowing them to come forward, and they are worrying that I've lost my person. This could be a lesson for them, maybe, of not taking people for granted. I don't know. So that's all I have for you right now, but blockages do open up. We'll check in the next reading. Maybe there'll be a change by then. Right now things are stuck. They've been enlightened, that's for sure. But they are held back because of something. Alright, so that's all I have for you, gems. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste. See you on Tuesday now.